Hair loss doesn't begin on your scalp. It begins inside your body. With nutrient deficiencies, poor circulation, hormonal imbalance, inflammation, and stress. No oil, serum, or shampoo can fix that alone. Today, we're talking about fruits that support hair growth from the inside, strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage, and improve scalp health. I'll show you why each fruit matters, what it does inside your body, when to eat it for best results, how much is safe, and the common mistakes that slow hair growth. Why hair stops growing. Hair growth depends on blood circulation to the scalp, protein and micronutrients, hormonal balance, low inflammation. Hair loss is often linked to iron and vitamin deficiencies, poor digestion, oxidative stress, poor blood flow. Fruits help by delivering antioxidants, supporting collagen, improving circulation, reducing scalp inflammation. Now let's go fruit by fruit. 1. Avocado. Why avocado matters for hair growth. Hair follicles need healthy fats to stay strong. Key nutrients and compounds. Vitamin E. Healthy monounsaturated fats. Biotin, small amounts. What it does in the body. Nourishes hair follicles. Improves scalp moisture. Reduces hair dryness and breakage. Best time to eat. With meals. Who benefits most? People with dry, brittle hair. People with scalp dryness. Quantity. 1/2 avocado per serving. How to eat. Raw, mashed or sliced. Common mistake. Avoiding fats completely, which weakens hair. You are highly welcome to this channel, which is dedicated to showing you how natural foods can support health, prevent disease, and nourish the body from the inside out. With simple yet practical healthy eating habits you can apply daily. If this is something that interests you, kindly consider subscribing. 2. Banana. Why banana matters. Bananas support circulation and scalp health. Key nutrients. Potassium. Vitamin B6. What it does in the body. Improves blood flow to hair follicles. Strengthens hair strands. Reduces hair breakage. Best time. Morning. Quantity. 1 banana daily. How to eat. Fresh. Common myth. Bananas cause hair loss. Moderate intake supports hair strength. 3. Papaya. Why papaya matters. Papaya supports digestion, which affects hair growth. Key nutrients. Vitamin A. Vitamin C. Papain enzyme. What it does. Improves nutrient absorption. Reduces scalp inflammation. Supports healthy hair growth cycle. Best time. Morning, on an empty stomach. Quantity. 1 cup. How to eat. Ripe papaya. 4. Orange. Why orange matters. Vitamin C is essential for collagen and hair strength. Key nutrients. Vitamin C. Flavonoids. What it does in the body. Improves iron absorption. Strengthens hair roots. Reduces hair thinning. Best time. Morning. Quantity. 1 medium orange. How to eat. Whole fruit. 5. Berries. Strawberry and blueberry. Why these berries matter specifically. They provide targeted antioxidant support for hair follicles. Key nutrients. Vitamin C. Anthocyanins. What they do. Strengthen hair roots. Reduce oxidative stress. Support scalp health. Protect follicles from oxidative damage. Support collagen formation. Best time. Afternoon. Quantity. 1/2 cup mixed berries. How to eat. Fresh or frozen. 6. Guava. Why guava matters. Guava contains very high vitamin C, essential for hair. Key nutrients. Vitamin C. Antioxidants. What it does. Strengthens hair shafts. Supports scalp health. Reduces hair fall. Best time. Morning. Quantity. 1 medium guava. How to eat. Raw, well washed. 7. Plums. Why plums matter. Plums support circulation and scalp nourishment. Key nutrients. Vitamin C. Polyphenol. What it does in the body. Improves blood flow. Supports healthy hair growth. Best time. Midday. Quantity. 2 to 3 fresh plums. How to eat. Fresh or dried, unsweetened. 8. Pomegranate. Why pomegranate matters. Hair follicles need good circulation. Key compounds. Polyphenol. What it does. Improves blood flow to scalp. Strengthens hair follicles. Reduces hair thinning. Best time. Midday. Quantity. 1/2 to 1 cup arils. How to eat. Fresh seeds or diluted juice. 9. Pineapple. Why pineapple matters. Pineapple supports inflammation control. Key nutrients. Bromelain. Vitamin C. What it does. Reduces scalp inflammation. Supports hair growth environment. Best time. Between meals. Quantity. 1 cup. How to eat. Fresh pineapple. Daily hair growth fruit routine. Morning. Papaya, orange, guava. Midday. Banana, plums, pineapple. Afternoon. Berries, blueberry, strawberry, pomegranate. Evening. Avocado. Rotate to avoid excess sugar from any single fruit. Important disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. These fruits support hair growth but do not replace medical treatment for hair loss conditions. If hair loss is sudden or severe, consult a healthcare professional. Which of these fruits do you eat for hair growth? Have you noticed hair changes with your diet? Comment below and share this video with someone experiencing hair thinning. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe for more fruit-based health education. Turn on notifications. Next video, fruits that brighten skin.